Well, I think the demand was there. I think a lot of this quarter was really done by stoking up production. They had unfilled orders, especially outside the United States. The Model 3 filled a lot of that production need, but they may have sacrificed some potential of the higher margin other vehicles. We'll have to see. It does show well, and boy, I'll tell you what, the green car industry itself is doing very well now compared to what it has been doing. All the major manufacturers are really getting their product development on EVs ready, as well as hybrids and the fuel cell cars. The green car market is not just in California, it's beginning to expand beyond. And if you look at Tesla's production, half of their sales up to the beginning of this year has been in the state of California. A lot of this growth now for them is outside of California, and that shows the demand is growing for green vehicles throughout the country and actually in other markets as well outside the United States.
No doubt, this is a step in the right direction for Musk and Tesla, and you got to give them credit. You know, this is a strong rebound from 1Q in terms of unit numbers in Model 3. The big question is second half numbers and profitability, and that, in our opinion, is where there's more wood to chop here. So no doubt, positive here, still questions remain.
Dan, what's your take on the fact that they've said that this is a growth in order backlog as well? Is that a key factor? And if that is delivered in the next couple of quarters, are you going to be massively upgrading your price target?
Well, that's key in terms of tea leaves going into 3Q, and obviously we have to see earnings in a few weeks. But ultimately, does that mean you'll have orders and deliveries up in 3Q and ultimately into 4Q? That's where they're trying to say that they could hit their numbers. We continue to think that they'll rip the Band-Aid off and ultimately have to lower those targets over the course of the next few quarters. But this is one. This company had their back against the wall. You got to give Musk and Tesla major credit here for what they did in the quarter. The bulls win this battle right now, and I think obviously you'll see the stock up significantly tomorrow as the shorts have to go back into their caves to hibernate.